Every day in India, people make important financial decisions. A loan, a device purchase, a trip, a medical bill. Insurance should fit naturally into those moments. But today, the journey still feels disconnected and complicated. It is slowed down by fragmented insurance workflows, manual and time-consuming processes, limited tech capability and bandwidth, and a revenue ceiling that's hard to break, making it challenging for businesses to offer protection efficiently and profitably. That's where Zopper's Insurtech solutions stitch everything together. We provide the digital backbone that can support every kind of insurance journey at scale. By connecting insurers with partners across industries via a unified API-led platform, digital onboarding, instant issuance, plug and play APIs, real-time dashboards, cross-sell intelligence, claims initiation and tracking. One backend that works across all businesses. And for millions of customers, means the right insurance shows up at the right time without confusion, delays, or any friction. Our InsurTech solutions turn this vision into reality, bridging the gap so businesses thrive, insurers scale, and every customer stays protected. Here's to the insurance ecosystem simplified.